Hey, what's going on? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. Today, what we're going to do is I'm going to go over a question I get asked quite often, and that is, do I need another Facebook profile if I'm in a home-based business or online business? Do I need another Facebook profile? So my quick answer is no. Absolutely not. You do not need another profile, and I do not recommend it. Especially if you're new, I do not recommend it because it's going to take away from what you're already doing. Now, let me just share a quick story with you so you understand where I'm coming from. All right. So, when I first started in network marketing, online marketing, I didn't know any better. And what I did was I had my original Facebook profile. I only had one. And I literally blasted that to death. I had on my header my business name. I posted about my business every single day. I was using the advertising for my business every single day. It was just bad. And I literally turned off my friends and family because that's all I was posting. I was bashing jobs. It just wasn't a good thing. Because I thought, well, hey, if I put my business out there, people are going to come. It's the opposite. Okay. So, not that this video is about this, but if you are posting about your business, you have your business name plastered all over your profile. If every post you're putting up is about your business, you are literally losing sales. You're literally losing sales. You are turning people off completely, and I do not recommend doing that. Right. So back to it. So I totally destroyed my first profile, friends, family from high school and college, and I decided, like, okay, I'm going to go create a business profile, only business for this profile. And I went about and did that. And what happened is over time, my friends from my other profile found me on the new profile. And instead of it being a business profile, it ended up being with my friends again. And that became problematic because I didn't want to be posting about my business in front of them. So my business account, once again, became more of a family and friends account with business, and that was not my intention at all. On top of that, I was going back and forth trying to manage both accounts, so that was taking time. I was losing focus, and it was costing me when it came to producing results. Okay, and that's what matters is results. So, what did I do? What did I do? Okay, so there's a few things you can do. Now, I'm going to fast forward to today. Today, I know better. Today, I know if you market effectively on your Facebook wall, it doesn't matter who is on it, your friends, your family. It doesn't matter because you are not spamming them with your business. You are not putting your business all over your wall. In fact, if you do it correctly, they're not even going to see your business. They're going to want to know what you're doing because you're doing it effectively. Now, if you want to know how to do it effectively, where you attract people, you become the attractor factor, where you have people coming to you on a daily basis wanting what you have. There's a course I went through, and you can actually get access to this course. It's a very simple course, doesn't take long, but it works really well when it comes to you becoming an attractive factor, what you need to do to set up your profile the correct way so people want to be around you. They want to follow you. They want to be your friend, and they want to do business with you. So the course goes through everything: settings, what to put on your header, what to put on your profile, 4 different posts to use, how to get massive engagement, and then how to use that engagement, monetize that engagement, and bring in new business partners into your business pretty much on autopilot without really any rejection. Okay, that's what it's about. If that sounds good to you, click the link right below. It says Facebook engagement course right below, and that will take you right to that. You can learn more about that. All right. So, getting back to this. Do you need another profile? I already said no. Okay, so let me show you why. 1, effective marketing. You don't need it because you're not blasting your business everywhere. But if you still are concerned, still don't want your family and friends to see what you're doing, there is a solution, and you don't need to create a whole nother page to do it. And here's what that solution is. So Facebook gives you different lists that you can post to. So for example, I'm going to move this up to public. And let's just put a test here. Okay, so test, it's on public. So if I go here to the news feed, I click on public. If I scroll down to more, okay, so I have my option, public, friends, friends accept, and then more. I click on more again and click on see all. What that's going to do is pull up this here. I'm going to click, I'm going to scroll, when I see custom, what I'm going to do is scroll down, and then here's all your lists. Now, how do you get these lists? These are lists I can post to. So for example, if I just wanted to go to business, I created a business list, and I put all the people that are in business, that are business prospects, under this tab, right? When I go to post and it says business, it's only going to show up. That post is only going to show up to everybody that is in business. So if my friends and family are not in my business list, then they are not going to see my post. So what that means is you can have one profile, you could post on that profile, and you could select to not have your friends and family or whoever see your post. So again, there's no reason for you to go create another profile, get unfocused, because that's what it does. You have two, you're trying to do this balancing act of trying to promote, post on two different accounts. It's craziness. You could just use one account and you could select a list. So how do you get these lists? So let's look at that. There's a few different things you can do. One of the easiest ones is go home. So you click on the home tab, come down here where it says explore, and click on friends list. Now, I have a bunch of different lists, okay? I can create a new list. So I'm going to create a new list, and I'm literally just going to call this test, and I can add members right here. So if I want to add some friends right here, I can do that. So let's just say I want to add, and all I'm doing is clicking an initial, I'm clicking M, but you click any letter you want, whatever the name of the person is, and you just enter them right into the list. So once you're done adding people to your list, okay, let's say these are all my business people, right? I clicked create. Now I have a list. That's going to pull up a whole nother news feed for these people in my list. So what will happen is when I come to this list, I will see their posts. And there you go. See, their posts are starting to show up now, right in that news feed. So I think that's really cool because now you get to see all their posts showing up in one news feed. But again, if all you want to do is post, let's say, to business, let's do this again. I called this what? Test. I select that. It's only going to post to those people. So there you go. Now you can feel free to post whatever you want to post and not worry about the people you're worried about seeing it. So that's really, really a cool thing you can do. A lot of people don't know this. Now, the other thing is, so I'm going to go to my friends and show you how I would do this. So for example, let's see here. Let me go to this one. Okay, so this is a new friend request. This is a new friend request. When I go to add a friend, if I click confirm, okay, so I'll confirm the friend request. Now, you see there's a little drop-down box here. Add to another list. So if you want only to be business, and this is a business person, you would click friends, okay? And we'll go down to add another list, and we go find, I'm just going to put under that test one, test. Okay, now he's added to that test list. So now when I go and I post, I click test, or business or whatever you want to call it, those posts will only go to those people that are on that list. So that is why, again, you don't need another Facebook profile. In fact, I don't recommend it at all, especially if you're new, because it's going to take time away from what you're doing, what's effective, because you're trying to manage two different accounts, which is crazy. The other thing is, one profile can have as many followers as you want. There's no limit on followers. So really, you can have as many people as you want on your profile. So yes, you get 5,000 friends, but you get unlimited followers. So really, you don't really need to have another account. You don't need to take your time away. Focus on the one. And I highly recommend checking out the training, getting the training that I told you about, right in the link right below. That training is phenomenal. It teaches you exactly what you need to do to dominate on Facebook, how to make Facebook your personal ATM. So I'll just show you just a little bit about what's going on here so you can kind of see how well it works. All right, so I'll just scroll down just a little bit. So as you can see, 354 likes, 99 comments, 4 shares, 513 likes, 130 comments, 15 shares. This is what this course teaches you how to do. This post here produces sales for me on a daily basis. 387 plus 126, 10 shares. Anyway, that's what the course is about. It teaches you how to attract people to you, how to make that, monetize that so you can make sales in your business, whatever it is you want to do. It is fantastic. Check it out, link below. If you want to know how I've been able to create a full-time income from the comfort of my home, I have my #1 wealth vehicle right below. It's the one with the green check mark. You can check that out as well. I've been with that program since 2015, and it has not disappointed. Okay, very simple way to create good income from the comfort of your home. Okay, so that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. I do videos all the time. Thank you. I appreciate you. And if you got value, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.